Introducing waterfalls of Hokkaido, HEIWA Fall, a well-known waterfall on the Kotoni-Hassan River in Nishi Ward, Sapporo. The trailhead for Mount Teine is located nearby, so it is probably familiar to almost every hiking enthusiast in Sapporo. There is another reason why this waterfall is famous. HEIWA Fall is also known as a local haunted spot. I have personally experienced two unexplained incidents around the HEIWA Fall and the Mount Teine area, so I cannot completely dismiss the stories as mere superstition. Whether you believe them or not is up to you.